This is Kameshwari from Nanda Narasimha Education Society Group of Institutions. Today we are going to discuss about Geotechnical Engineering third year first semester R18 regulation. In that, Unit 1 related problem, that is related between void ratio, porosity, saturated unit weight and dry unit weight. Now we can go for problem. A fully saturated soil sample has a water content of 35% and its specific gravity is 2.65. Determine its porosity. Here given fully saturated soil sample has a water content of 35% and its specific gravity is 2.65. Determine porosity. Porosity is equal to N value saturated unit weight, that means gamma sat and dry unit weight. So what is the formulas for determining these three? Determine porosity. N is equal to E by 1 plus E. But in this problem given water content value, specific gravity value. But it is not given void ratio value. So from taking this equation, Wg is equal to E into S. We can solve the void ratio. W into G is equal to E into S. W is equal to 0.35. 35%. So make it as 35 by 100, 0.35. And specific gravity G is equal to 2.65. 2.65 is equal to E into, what is the value of S? What is the value of S? Here given fully saturation condition. In this problem mention fully saturation condition. Fully saturation condition means S is equal to 1. Fully saturation condition S is equal to 1. So E into 1, that is equal to E is equal to 0.92. 0.92. So this E value, void ratio value substitute in porosity. We will get porosity value N is equal to E value 0.92. 0.92 divided by 1 plus 0.92. That is equal to 47%. 47%. So it is expressed as percentage. N is equal to 47%. Now second one. So we can calculate saturation. Gamma sat is equal to, gamma saturation is equal to G plus E by 1 plus E into gamma W. What is the value of specific gravity? G is equal to 2.65. So that is equal to 2.65 plus void ratio value already you can determine. E is equal to 0.92. E is equal to 0.92. So 0.92 divided by 1 plus 0.92 into, what is the unit weight of water? The value of unit weight of water is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. That is given in problem. So directly you can take as 9.81. This is the standard value, 9.81. That is equal to gamma saturation. Gamma sat is equal to 18.24 kilonewton per meter cube. 18.24 kilonewton per meter cube per meter cube. And the third one is we can determine dry unit weight. Dry unit weight formula gamma D is equal to G gamma W by 1 plus C. What is the value of specific gravity? G is equal to 2.65. E is equal to 0.92. So specific gravity G is equal to 2.65 into unit weight of water 9.81 divided by 1 plus void ratio E is equal to 0.92. So substitute E is equal to 0.92. E is equal to 0.92. We will get gamma D is equal to 13.53 kilonewton per meter cube. The dry unit weight of the soil is gamma D is equal. The dry unit weight is gamma D is equal to 13.53. For this problem, here asking porosity value, saturated unit weight and dry unit weight. The porosity N is equal to general equation E by 1 plus C. But here E value is not given. But depend upon given data, we can know the formulas. W into G is equal to E into S. By using this formula, we can determine the void ratio E value. E is equal to 0.92. Otherwise, void ratio value given in problem, directly we can substitute E is equal to 1 by 1 plus C. But here it is not given. Indirectly, it is given another two values. In this problem, directly is not given saturation value. But here mention fully saturation condition. So, fully saturation condition means S is equal to 100%. So, S is equal to 1. So, E is equal to 0.92. Next, we can calculate saturated unit weight. Gamma sat is equal to G plus E by 1 plus E into gamma W. This value is already given in the problem. Specific gravity value given, unit weight of water value given. But E value we can determine in first case. In void ratio, substitute 0.92. So, we will get 18.24 kilonewton per meter cube. The units will be very, very important in our semester exam. Otherwise, you can lose the 1 mark. That's why you can surely mention kilonewton per meter cube. And next one is dry unit weight. What is the formula for dry unit weight? Gamma D is equal to G gamma W by 1 plus E. So, G value already given in problem. What is the value of specific gravity value? 2.65. The value G is equal to 2.65 and unit weight of water value 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So, unit weight of water 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube by 1 plus 0.92. That is determined in first step. E is equal to 0.92. That value also we can substitute in dry unit weight. So, 2.65 into 9.81 divided by 1 plus 0.92. The value is 13.53 kilonewton per meter cube. In density, the units is kilonewton per meter cube. Without fail, in all equations, in problems, surely we can write units. SI units, surely we can mention. Gamma sat is equal to 18.24 kilonewton per meter cube and porosity N is equal to 47%. This is the main you can find out from the equation. So for any problem, first of all, clearly understand the problem. What are the values given in the problem, and mention the, first of all, write the given data. What are the given data given in the problem? You can write in step by step. Next, we'll write the formula. What is the related formula used for determine the particular element? So we can write the given data. Next, in step by step procedure, the values is substitute in the that particular equation, and finally you can calculate and write the value. In our semester exams or mid exam, follow this procedure. First read out the problem, that is saturation condition or fully saturation condition, water, any condition will be included in the problem or not, and what are the elements included in the given problem. So here water content is given. What is the expression of water content? The item is W, and specific gravity. First of all, you can understand the concept and what are the formulas and what are the abbreviations. So here given abbreviation, specific gravity, the letter is G, and porosity. So porosity means, what is the formula for porosity? We can know that porosity, N is equal to N, and saturated unit weight. All of the formulas for any formula, first of all you can know the abbreviation N. What is the abbreviation of N? What is the abbreviation of E? E is equal to void ratio. N is equal to porosity. What is the abbreviation of S? S is equal to saturation condition. W is equal to water content. G is equal to specific gravity. That abbreviation must and should we can know. Otherwise, we cannot solve the problem. We can know the equation, but we don't know about the abbreviation of each and every element. So, gamma sat is equal to G plus E by 1 plus E into gamma W. What is the value of unit weight of water? Some cases it is given in problem. Otherwise, what is the value? How to find out that value? So you cannot find out. It is directly taken as 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. That is standard value. And gamma D is equal to G gamma W by 1 plus E. What is gamma D? Dry unit weight. G is equal to specific gravity. Gamma W, unit weight of water. This all abbreviation must and should be you can learn for every